Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. If you are new to my channel and you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Today I'm starting in my bedroom with stripping my bed first thing in the morning so I can just get it going and out of the way. I'm using Tide again for laundry and will be for a while. I still love Gain, but this was a great deal in bulk. I showed the comparison, price, and quantity over on my Instagram stories while I was at Sam's Club. There wasn't much of a price difference. The comparison in quantity was what sold me. It does clean well and the scent is nice. It just doesn't linger as long as the Gain. Also, the scent boosters. I've used the Downy Unstoppables before in the fresh scent and I really do like them a lot. They were the first ones that I've tried. These are around $10 for a much smaller size. This one is massive and it was $12.48. I just thought I'd share that with you guys. If you're considering a wholesale membership, I think it's definitely worth it. We end up saving a lot of money this way. I washed a few loads of laundry the night before that needs to be folded. The kitchen is a mess, my kids' room and bathroom is a mess, and just the daily things that fall apart all the time. My room and bathroom was really bad because I've been neglecting it for a while. I had some organizing to do and just a whole day full of cleaning, so I went ahead and grabbed myself a macchiato and got to work. This Method daily shower product is a favorite of mine. I use this once a week on our shower tiles and let it sit while I clean the tub. Then I'll splash some water and buff it dry. I usually use my squeegee, then buff it, but I didn't want to go and run and get my squeegee this time, so I just buffed it with a dry cloth and it left it just as shiny. This really does keep soap scum and scrubbing to a minimum. I know you guys saw me handle that toilet wand with my bare hands, and don't worry, it's new, never used. I bought one to scrub up under the rim this time because the round or oval shaped ones don't get up under there, and ours was starting to get really bad, so I'm happy I found these at Walmart, and I bought one for the kids' bathroom too. So I showed you guys a black and white sneak peek of my closet on Instagram, and this is how it turned out. So far, I really like it. I think it blends well with my room and bathroom. It finally looks organized and not just like a raggedy catch-all closet. In case you were wondering what my kids are up to, they're playing with toys that they haven't seen in a while. I've been doing this for some time, but it didn't buy me much time, and you'll see why later in the video that it didn't exactly work. wondering why you didn't come interrupt me making my bed. Is it because you got into some yogurt? Oh, you were eating it with a car. Amir, what did you do, buddy?
So, he's not gonna tell you.
Of course not. So I changed my quilt. This one is much lighter and I think the patterns are beautiful. It's from Ross. It was around $30. The other quilt that I get questions about is from Marshall's. It was around $50. The brand is Tahari. I still love that one. I just needed a change. I'm surface cleaning my entire room because for some reason my room gets really dusty, and with the white furniture there's always smudge prints and little fingerprints everywhere, so surface cleaning the entire thing makes a huge difference. I'm working my way back into the living areas. In case you guys are wondering, I'm going to sweep and mop last, just so I don't have to drag the mop and vacuum around with me. To clean my couch, I'm using a mixture of water and the Downy Unstoppables, but the spray bottle sprained, so it wasn't coming out right, so I just used my vinegar solution and a scrub brush. This is how I keep my couch clean and smelling fresh in between washes, which I only do once a month. I'm using a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser to get any crayon off the chairs and table. You'll see that I went over every surface a few times with my vinegar mix after. These sponges contain product in them and it leaves sort of a chalky film over the surfaces. So to get rid of that, I always make sure to go back over it with either a damp cloth or my vinegar mix. In my kids' room now, time to clean up this mess. My son definitely knew what he did was wrong. You'll be able to tell by his facial expression. I went ahead and used the amazing Whip It. I've showed you guys this product before and it works great, especially with food and drink and the carpet. It's also all natural, so no harsh chemicals. In my kids' room, my daughter helped me gather up all the toys and put them into bins. I did a huge surface clean in here and just cleaned everything up. I skipped over that part, but if you are interested in how I clean my kids' room and bathroom, I'll link a video up here for you guys if you're interested. In the kitchen finally, this was later in the day, so it was time to load up the dishwasher and clean the kitchen. I still have our storage room to tidy up and a few areas in the living room to clean and organize as well. I'm doing my usual kitchen cleaning routine. All of the products that I'm using in this video will be listed in the info box for you guys, so no need for me to chat and go on random tangents. So I'm just gonna let the music play and hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'm still using my spin mop. I checked 2 different Walmart locations and couldn't find it, so I ordered one online. I hope it's the right one, and of course I'll let you guys know what I think about it. So you guys know I always have mounds of laundry to fold, but in this video I didn't include that part. I did fold it off camera and then I just put it into my kid's closet and our clothes into my room, and I left it until the next day to put away. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, give it a like and I'll make more like this. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.